Hi, this is Psychological Depth, walking you through all dark psychology tricks and tips. Let's go. This is day 2 of teaching you dark psychology. Today is about guilt tripping. Guilt tripping unmasked, the dark art of emotional manipulation. Segment 1, the guilt trap. Guilt tripping 101. It's like emotional judo. One person, usually a master manipulator, uses guilt as their weapon. Their goal? To make you feel responsible for stuff you didn't sign up for. Think you're safe? Ha! Guilt tripping can strike anywhere. Personal relationships, workplaces, even your favorite coffee shop. Segment 2. The players. Meet the cast. 1. The overworked parent. Picture this. Mom or dad, sweat on their brow, saying, "I work my fingers to the bone for you and you can't even clean your room." Bam! Guilt trip launched. 2. The clingy lover. "If you really loved me, you wouldn't leave." Yeah, that's their twisted love language. 3. The office puppeteer. Your boss leans in, whispers, "Finish that project, or our team reputation goes down the drain." Guilt trip activated. Segment 3. The fallout. But here's the gut punch. Guilt tripping isn't harmless. It's like a corrosive acid, eating away at your sanity. Resentment, anger, mistrust, they're the side effects. And guess what? You might compromise your soul just to avoid feeling guilty. Not cool, my friends.